Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best epoxy glue is probably one of the most versatile and strongest adhesives available on the market today, perfect for various DIY projects and professional applications. In this video, we will explore its amazing bonding capabilities, different types, and crucial factors to consider when choosing the right epoxy glue for your specific needs, ensuring a successful and long-lasting bond every time. Number 5. KwikWeld 8265S Epoxy. It's the original KwikWeld, a two-part epoxy system that provides a strong, lasting repair to multiple surfaces. It's a great alternative to traditional welding, offering a bond stronger than steel. After mixing it at a 1:1 ratio, it sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 to 24 hours. Once cured, it can be easily tapped, filled, sanded, molded, and drilled. It's steel reinforced, with a tensile strength of 5020 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids. It works on a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, wood, concrete, ceramic, tile, and fiberglass. Its versatility makes it perfect for many projects. Whether it's a big repair or a small one, you can do it yourself with this heavy-duty epoxy. It delivers superior performance and creates the world's strongest bond. Remember, it will set in 4 to 6 hours and cure completely in 16 to 24 hours. Once cured, it's waterproof, resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids, making it a durable and reliable solution. What we like. If you need the strongest bond for heavy-duty repairs, this is your best bet. It's incredibly durable and can handle extreme conditions. If you're tackling a tough project that demands superior strength and longevity, this is the epoxy for you. Number 4. KwikWeld 2-Part Epoxy. It dries completely clear, giving you a clean, professional finish. This makes it perfect for any project where you need a strong, invisible bond. With a 5-minute set time, you have plenty of time to adjust your work before it hardens. It's quick and easy to use. It's not just a strong adhesive, it also fills gaps and bonds uneven surfaces. This makes it incredibly versatile for various repairs. It can withstand moderate water exposure, adding to its durability and reliability. You can use it with confidence in many different applications. The dual-barrel syringe keeps the resin and hardener separate until you're ready to use it. This ensures a consistent mix and easy application. It creates an incredibly strong bond that's tough enough for household and automotive repairs. You can trust it to hold up under pressure. What we like. This epoxy sets in just 5 minutes, perfect for quick fixes where time is of the essence. Its clear finish ensures a clean, invisible bond. If you need a fast setting, clear epoxy for precise repairs, this is the one for you. Number 3. KwikWeld 2-Part Epoxy. It dries completely clear, giving you a clean, professional finish. This makes it perfect for a wide variety of repairs. The dual-barrel syringe makes it simple to mix and apply. Plus, the cap lets you save any leftover for later. It's designed to withstand moderate water exposure, adding extra durability to your repairs. It's a great gap filler, bonding uneven surfaces together with ease. It's incredibly versatile for all your repair needs. With a 5-minute set time, you have plenty of time to adjust your work before it hardens. It's fast and efficient. It creates an incredibly strong bond that's resistant to impacts, bumps, and drops. It's tough enough for even the most demanding jobs. What we like. This is another great option for quick repairs with a clean finish. It's also ideal for filling gaps and bonding uneven surfaces. If you value speed and a seamless finish, this epoxy is a smart choice. Number 2. KwikWeld KwikWeld Epoxy. It's the fast-setting epoxy that provides strong, lasting repairs. Perfect for DIY projects around the house, in your car, or on your boat. After mixing, it sets in just 6 minutes and fully cures in 4 to 6 hours. Once cured, it can be easily shaped and finished. It's incredibly strong, with a tensile strength of 3127 psi. It can even withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit 110 degrees Celsius. When fully cured, it's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids. It's built to last. Use it on metal, plastic, wood, concrete, and more. It's the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. Get strong, lasting repairs quickly and easily with Weld KwikWeld. It's the perfect solution for all your DIY projects. What we like. Need a fast-setting epoxy that's also incredibly strong. This one sets in minutes and provides a durable, steel-reinforced bond. If you need a quick, robust repair, this epoxy is a perfect solution. Number 1. Loctite Epoxy 5-Minute. This high-strength adhesive provides a quick and permanent bond. It's perfect for a wide variety of materials and repairs. The self-mixing applicator ensures precise dispensing and mixing of the two-part formula. This creates a tough, rigid bond every time. It sets in just 5 minutes, allowing for quick repairs. You'll have handling strength in just an hour. It's resistant to water, most common solvents, and shrinking. Plus, it can be sanded, drilled, and painted. Use it as an adhesive for various materials or as a filler for gaps, surface repairs, and laminating. It's incredibly versatile. From quick fixes to permanent repairs, it's the reliable choice for all your bonding and filling needs. Get yours today. What we like. This high-strength epoxy sets in just 5 minutes and is suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. It's a versatile solution for various repair and bonding needs. If you need a fast, strong, and versatile adhesive, this is a great option. What people say. This stuff is so easy to use and does exactly what it says. I love the mixing nozzle. This is very effective for use in holes where you want the finished look to be free of smears that happen when you mix by hand and try to get the epoxy into a hole or a crevice. This is hands down a great product and a great delivery system. The adhesion is powerful. It holds very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.